Thank you, Jean-Louis. That was a terrific summary of the promise and challenges of transparency and open data. And Aleem actually has a picture.
I thought that was a really good summary too, Jean-Louis. And as you know, you and I share a passion, I think lots of us do, for the last example. I just wanted to show you something real that we've been working on in
This is a commercial for the last session, so you have to stay all day.
It wasn't meant to be. In fact, I didn't even have this slide to show, but I happen to have it on the laptop. August 2011, Tandale, Dar es Salaam. It's in the kind of urban slum of the city. This is an August map of this area, pre-mapping in a sense, where we worked with community residents, university students armed with cell phones and GPS devices, and the local government. Within a month, we went from that map to that map. Every household mapped, every religious institution, water point, school, health center, et cetera, et cetera. As a base map, this is a kind of necessary but not sufficient, right? Now I'm going to show you something else which builds upon this, which is also necessary but not sufficient, which is to say, now that you have all this infrastructure, people can start commenting about it. They can tell you what they think, what's working, what's not working, et cetera. So the next thing was to use an Ushahidi platform for people to start giving commentary on what's happening with water, health, education, security, et cetera. And so now you can start to see that this map is being populated with comments on service delivery. So what, right? Well, what is now happening, and I mean, this is literally like 2 months old, right? So I'm not going to talk about impact. But what's happening is that different people are paying attention. So the city council is involved in this partnership. The University of Dar es Salaam is involved in this partnership. Media is paying attention. And Twaweza, some of you will know, is a civil society organization that's now actively talking about this, advocating about this. So this is the kind of partnership that begins to touch on that vision of Jean-Louis saying at the end, where you do the maps and you publish the data to create the infrastructure so that people can comment. But you still need the multi-stakeholder coalition. You need the cake, not just the icing, right? And so icing alone is not going to, sort of bake anything. But icing with good cake, having all these people at the table, listening political will, I think leads to some important possibilities. Thanks.